I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to scan a QR code. It's super easy. Most modern smartphones have a QR code scanner built right into their camera app. Simply open your camera, point it steadily at the QR code, and wait a moment. Your phone should automatically recognize the code and display a notification or a clickable link on your screen. Just tap that link to access the information. If your camera isn't scanning, first make sure your lens is clean. Smudges can interfere. Next, check your phone settings to confirm that QR code scanning is enabled for your camera app. Sometimes, a quick restart of your phone can also help. If these steps don't work, don't worry. You can easily download a free, dedicated QR code scanner app from your phone's app store. For the best scanning results, hold your phone steady, about 6 to 12 inches away from the QR code. Good lighting is also key. Try to avoid shadows or bright glare directly on the code, as this can make it difficult for your camera to read. Always aim for clear, undamaged codes. A blurry or torn code might not scan correctly, so find a good one. QR codes are incredibly versatile. You'll find them linking to restaurant menus, website addresses, and even contact information. They are also commonly used for quick payments, event tickets, and providing detailed product information. They offer a convenient way to access digital content instantly. And speaking of reading, if you love to dive into a good book, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.